Alright, this section is 1-6 notes, composition of combinations. Your objective, you'll be able to compose a set of transformations on one graph. That's what this notes is going to be all about. So all this is doing two transformations on one graph. That's all this really is. So it's taking what we've already been doing, and then instead of just doing it once, we're going to do it twice on one particular graph. So I got some examples here. So what it says in the directions in the upper left hand corner, just in case if you can't read it, it says translate the triangle 4 units to the right, and then we're going to reflect over the x-axis. And then we're going to find out what are the coordinates of the second triangle. So let's get going here. So this pink triangle here, A, B, C. We're going to translate this triangle 4 to the right. All that means is that we're going to take each one of these coordinates and we're going to move them 4 to the right. So C is 1, 2, 3, 4. This red dot is my C prime. Let's move B to the right 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This red dot is B prime. Then from A, we move that to the right 4. Up, it lands right there on B. That's our B prime. So this red triangle is just the translation of 4 units to the right. We now got to reflect this red triangle over the x-axis. And the x-axis is this axis right here. So we're going to reflect over that. Which means we're going to count out how many spaces away is our red triangle from that red axis, red x-axis. So C prime is 1, 2 away. So it's, the opposite of 2 below the red line is 2 above. So we go 1, 2. That blue dot right there is our C double prime, because it's our second transformation. B prime is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 below the red line, so we go 6 above. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So right there is our B double prime. And, oh sorry, that was our A double prime, pardon me. A double prime. So B double prime, well that's also 6 below, so we go 6 above. Right there is our B double prime. We connect them up, and our blue triangle is the composition of 2 transformations of this pink one. The pink one shifted over to the right, which became the red one, and then we reflected over the x-axis, which made it the blue one. So if we identify these coordinates, C double prime is 4 to the left, 2 up, so negative 4, 2. So C is negative 4, 2 up. So that eliminates option D. It also eliminates option B. Now let's look up B double prime. That's 2 to the left, 6 up. 2 to the left, 6 up. We already know that those are eliminated. So negative 2, 6. That'd be option C is our correct answer for this one. Let's do another one. So that same picture, except now we're going to go 7 to the right, and we're going to reflect over the y-axis. So the y-axis is the one that's up and down. So let's go 7 to the right here. So C, when we move 7 to the right, we get that one. So that's our C prime. We take B and we move that 7 to the right. Right there is our B prime. And we move this one 7 to the right. We get right here. That's our A prime. Now we got to reflect this blue triangle over the y-axis. So how far away is C prime from the y-axis? Well, it's 1 box away. It's 1 box to the left. So we do the opposite when we reflect. So it's 1 box to the right is our C prime. Now B prime is 1 to the right, so 1 to the left is our B double prime. Sorry, that's C double prime, and that's A double prime. Or B double prime. A double prime, well, A prime is 3 to the left, so we go 3 to the right. And right there is A double prime. Connect them up, like that. And our green triangle is our answer. We look up the coordinates of A double prime, B double prime, C double prime, and you compare them to the coordinates here in the multiple choice, and you'll find out what the correct answer is. Let's take this triangle. We're going to translate this triangle 4 units to the left, and then reflect over the y-axis. So once again, here's our y-axis, which I highlighted in green this time. 4 to the left, well, B, 4 to the left is 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's our B. Our C, 4 to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that one. And our A, 4 to the left, is right here. Connect them up. Now we got to reflect that triangle over the y-axis, which I'll do in blue. Since this dot's 1 to the right, I go 1 to the left. This B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the right. I'm sorry, that's actually C prime. So 5 to the right goes 5 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 3 to the right, so 3 to the left. This blue triangle is our correct answer. We identify those 3 coordinates and match them up with the multiple choice, and you'll get your correct answer. Let's do another one. This one says 9 to the right and reflect over the y-axis. So our y-axis once again is that one right there. We gotta go 9 to the right. So C is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's 9 to the right. B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's where our A prime is. So this blue triangle right now is our prime triangle. We also now got to reflect this blue triangle over the y-axis. That's where we got to count our spaces here. So let's do this in purple. So 2 to the right, 2 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right, 4 to the left. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 to the right, 6 to the left. It's okay that they overlap. That's going to happen once in a while. So that purple triangle is our double primes, aka our answer that we're looking for. So we find those 3 coordinates and we match them up with the multiple choice over here on the side. Next one. 4 to the right, and then we got to reflect over the x-axis. So the x-axis is this guy right here. Not the best line in the world. But that's our x-axis. So 4 to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right there. B moves 4 to the right. And our A 4 to the right. There's our purple triangle. Now we got to reflect that over the x-axis. So let's do this in blue. This point is 1, 2, 3, 4 up from that purple line, so I got to go 4 down from the x-axis. This one is 8 up, so I go 8 down. Well, that's that. One more. This one's 4 up, so you go 4 down. Our blue triangle is our answer. Find those coordinates, match up those coordinates with A, B, and C. Alright, here's the classwork and the homework we did in class. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me or come to Extra Help. I'll be happy to help you out with this stuff. Alright, have yourself a good night.